In this tutorial, I will be showing you all how to change the background color of your document. First, you want to go down to here. These are our foreground and our background colors. The top one is your dominant color. Once you click on that one, you'll then get what's called a color picker. You can go through and choose the colors. You would want to move this up and down to get to the specific color that you would like. You would then go ahead and click on the color to ensure that this is your new color. You have to click OK. Over here in your menu bar, you will either see a paint bucket or you will see a square that looks like a gradient tool. To get this drop down menu, you would need to left click and hold on the paint bucket or the gradient tool. For the paint bucket, your mouse is going to turn into a paint bucket. If you click, it is going to turn your document one solid color. So the second tool that we want to learn how to use is your gradient tool. Your gradient tool is going to fade your background from the two colors you have here. If you look up here in the top, you'll see how they fade. If you left click and drag all the way down, it's going to fade it to those two different colors. If I go and change the color of my background color, click on red, you can now see up here how it's changed. We want to go ahead and now I have a blue and a white, blue and a red. And now I have a blue and a red background. The longer you make your line, the longer your fade will be. The shorter you make your line, the shorter your fade will be. Whichever direction you go from, if you go from left to right, it is going to fade from blue to red. If you go from right to left, it's going to fade blue to red. Also, with this gradient tool, up here we have a couple of different types of gradients. We have a radial gradient, and that will give you a circle. We have an angle gradient. It'll give you your angle. We have our reflective gradient. It will reflect your colors red, blue, so however how you do it. And of course you have a diamond gradient. And that's how you change background color.